What's wrong? Sorry. Natatawa ako. Nanginginig yung camera. Don't! Elise! Ano ba? I said! Gwa, mama, inggit ka. Tingnan mo ang kalaro ni Anton ay si Achak. At Achak si Tita Seni, ang kalaro ni Elise. Yaha. Who is that, Anton? Who is that? What's wrong? Elise, ano ba naman yan? Stop! What is that, Anton? Show mommy. Where'd you get that?
In the game.
In the games? Ano ba? Ang kulit mo. Stop!
I want to see what happens. Mommy, can I control him?
No.
Please. Oh, Mommy, please. Please,
Ito si
Mommy.
Antonio. Na totoo.
Mommy, I know what to do.
Ito naman si Anton, the fake. Antonio. Pag galit ako, Antonio ang tawag ko doon.
Mommy,
Kay Anton.
I know what to do.